Matthew. You're watching the June 2026 edition of Jaipuria News, bringing you the most memorable moments, inspiring achievements, and vibrant celebrations from Seth M. Jaipuria School, Bhiwadi. The month of June was filled with learning, leadership, wellness, and community spirit. Let's take a look at the highlights that made this month truly special. Conscious Parenting Workshop. We began the month with a transformative Conscious Parenting Workshop facilitated by the renowned parenting mentor Mr. Arun. Over 3 enriching days, parents explored the essence of mindful parenting, emotional bonding, and conscious communication, strengthening the partnership between home and school. The workshop reflected our belief that every child's success begins with empowered parents. Teachers Upskilling Training Program. At Seth M. Jaipuria School, Bhiwadi, we believe that empowered educators create empowered learners. Reinforcing our commitment to continuous professional growth, 15 of our dedicated teachers participated in the Teachers Upskill Training Program held in Lucknow, where they explored innovative teaching methodologies, classroom best practices, and future-ready educational strategies. Further strengthening our pursuit in academic excellence, 2 of our teachers also attended the prestigious Bosco Training Program in Hyderabad, gaining valuable insights into contemporary pedagogical approaches and holistic student development. These enriching learning experiences reflect our unwavering commitment to nurturing a culture of lifelong learning, enabling our educators to bring fresh perspective, enhanced teaching practices, and innovative classroom experiences that inspire every learner. At Jaipuria, when teachers learn, students flourishes. Investiture Ceremony 2026-27. Leadership took center stage as we proudly conducted the Investiture Ceremony 2026-27. The newly elected Student Council took the oath to lead with integrity, responsibility, and compassion. We were honored by the gracious presence of the Brigadier Shri Sanjay Ravalji and Srimati Deepa Ravalji, whose inspiring words encouraged our young leaders to serve with purpose. Bagless Day. Balance and Beyond Yoga for Life. Our second Bagless Day inspired students of grade 6 to 8 to embrace wellness beyond the classrooms. Through yoga, mindfulness, and experiential activities, students learned the importance of achieving harmony between mind, body, and soul. Parent Partnership Initiative. We also launched Parent Volunteer Program, inviting parents to share their expertise, experience, and talents with our students. This initiative reflects our commitment to building a vibrant learning community through meaningful school-parent collaboration. Looking ahead, as we step into July, we eagerly look forward to celebrating our 3rd Founders Day, a special occasion dedicated to honoring our legacy, celebrating excellence, and inspiring future generations. Together, we continue our journey of nurturing young minds and purpose with passion. Thank you for joining us in celebrating another inspiring month at Seth M. Jaipuria School, Bhiwadi. Together, we continue to learn, lead, and grow, creating a future where every child discovers their potential and every experience becomes a stepping stone into excellence. Until next month, keep learning, keep inspiring, and keep shining. Vande Mataram.